The victim's computers and connected devices are being used by a new virus to launch denial of service attacks on Minecraft servers. The so-called MC crash is capable of moving laterally via networks, infecting other devices that may be connected to it, and it waits for commands from control servers, possibly being used as part of an exfiltration operation by cybercriminals. The root cause of contamination by malpractice, as discovered by the Microsoft team of intelligence analysts monitoring threats, is pirated software. Examples include activators for Windows and the Office suite. According to experts, the virus is also capable of physically breaking the credentials of unprotected devices, which increases its ability to spread over infected networks and, obviously, the power of the DDoS attacks when they are launched. The multi-platform MC crash can harm devices from the Internet of Things as well as computers running Windows and Linux. From there, a botnet under the direction of cybercriminals develops, ordering the bombardment of Java-based Minecraft servers with unique access control protocols designed to generate the highest volume of access possible against infrastructure. In the notice, Microsoft discusses a potential dark web operation for sale, where attackers interested in carrying out attacks would hire the network to carry out a hit and demand money from the servers in order to stop the high amount of accesses. While attacks against machines can happen everywhere in the world, the majority of infected devices are in Russia, with smaller but still significant numbers in Mexico, Italy, India, Singapore, and Mozambique. The criminals bet on the notion that the activators for pirated software will be included to antivirus release lists, preventing them from detecting malicious activity. The main goal is to establish persistence, particularly on Internet of Things, IoT, devices that are typically overlooked when discussing software updates and connection monitoring, making them, overall, a fertile ground for DDoS attacks. The best way to maintain security is to avoid downloading these phony solutions and keep connected PCs, servers, and devices always updated and protected. The recommendation includes using complicated credentials that are beyond the norm for devices and cannot easily be cracked, as well as network monitoring tools to look for suspicious connections or data traffic in suspicious numbers.